Have you ever tried to sneeze with your eyes open? It's almost impossible, right? But have you ever wondered why we automatically slam our eyes shut? And more importantly, what would happen if we actually managed to keep them open? For a long time, there has been a popular myth that sneezing with your eyes open would cause your eyeballs to pop right out of their socket. It sounds pretty gruesome, and it's a fun story to tell. But let's get one thing straight. It's completely false. Your eyeballs are very securely attached to your head by 6 strong muscles called the extraocular muscles. Not to mention the optic nerve. They aren't just loosely sitting in there waiting for a gust of air to send them flying. So, you can relax. Your eyes are safe. So, why do we close our eyes then? It's all thanks to an involuntary reflex. When your brain gets the signal that a sneeze is coming, it sends a whole bunch of messages to different muscles. One of those messages tells the muscles around your eyes, the orbicularis oculi, to contract. This is the same muscle you use to blink or squint. It's an automatic, protective response, much like how your leg kicks out when a doctor taps your knee. The main theory is that closing our eyes protects them from all the stuff we're expelling. A sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour and contains thousands of droplets of mucus, germs, and by shutting our eyes, we essentially putting up a shield to stop all that gunk from getting into them and causing an infection or irritation. It's your body's built-in safety goggles. So, what's the final verdict? If you did manage to fight that powerful reflex and keep your eyes open during a sneeze, nothing dramatic would happen. Your eyeballs wouldn't pop out. You might get some irritants in your eyes, which could lead to watering, or maybe even a minor infection, like pink eye. But that's about it. It's actually quite difficult to override this reflex. Some people claim they can do it, but it takes a lot of concentration. The reflex is just that strong. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, just let your body do its thing. It knows what it's doing. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more cool facts. See you in the next one.